So consider the polynomial p of x is equal to 1 plus 5x to the power 3 minus 4x plus 6x to the power 4. So we have to write the polynomial in descending order of the powers of x. Well, p of x, well, the largest power is going to be that 6x to the power of 4. Then next up we're going to have 5x to the power of 3. Then it's going to be minus 4x plus 1. And that's all there is to it. So we have to divide this by 2x minus 1 and write the result in the form p of x is equal to d of x times q of x plus r of x. So we've got 2x minus 1, and that's going to be dividing 6x to the power of 4 plus 5x to the power of 3 plus, well, we can't have 4x yet because there's no x squared, so you have a placeholder. It's going to be x squared with a 0 as a coefficient. Then you're going to have minus 4x plus 1. So 6x to the power of 4 divided by 2x is going to be 3x to the power of 3. Okay, so if you multiply that together with all of it, that being the 2x minus 1, you're going to have 6x to the power of 4, which is what eventually going to be cancelled out. And then we have 3x to the power of 3 times by negative 1, which is going to be negative 3x to the power of 3. So this part here is cancelled out, but we've got 5 minus negative 3x cubed. So that's going to be 8x cubed. And then we're going to bring down that next part, which is just 0x squared. So 8x cubed divided by 2x is going to be 4x squared. And then when we go back and multiply, 4x squared times 2x is going to be 8x cubed. And then 4x squared times negative 1 is going to be negative 4x squared. You're going to subtract that, and that's going to give you 4x squared. Then you're going to bring down that negative 4x. 4x squared divided by 2x is going to be 2x. And that means that you're going to have 4x squared. 2x times negative 1 is going to be negative 2x. So sorry about this running into the next part of the question. So this part gets cancelled out, but we've got negative 4x minus a negative 2x, which is going to be a negative 2x. And we're going to bring down that 1, which is going to be positive 1. And so negative 2x divided by 2x is going to be negative 1. And that's going to give us negative 2x. And negative 1 times negative 1 is going to be a positive 1. This cancels completely out, which is really cool. So you have a remainder of 0. In the end, if we have to write it in this particular form, it's going to be 2x minus 1 times what we have on the top here, which is going to be 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x minus 1. We don't have any remainder, so you leave that blank. So the question is 2x minus 1 a factor of 1 plus 5x cubed minus 4x plus 6x4? Absolutely, because there's no remainder.